Write and solve an inequality for this situation. To honor 50 years in business, All Strikes Bowling is having an anniversary special. Shoes rent for $1.25 and each game is 0.75 cents. If Charlie has $20 and needs to rent shoes, how many games can he bowl? Okay, so let's write our slope-intercept equation first. So we know that mx plus b equals y, right? So that's our slope-intercept form. And in this case, m is our rate, which is going to be 0.75x. And b is the starting price, which is 1.25. So we can write our equation 0 and x is how many times can he bowl, right? So 0.75x plus 1.25, and he has $20. So so that means that that is less than or equal to 20. So that is going to be our inequality, and we just need to find x, which is the number of times he can bowl, right? So we're going to subtract 1.25, 1.25 on both sides, and this is going to be cancel each other out on the left, and will be left 0.75x less than or equal 20 minus 1.25 equals 18.75. And to find x, we're going to divide both sides by 0.75. 0.75, and on the left we will get x. X is less than or equal, and 18.75 divided by 0.75 equals 25. So the answer is Charlie will be able to play equal to or less than 25 games. So that is the answer.